Each of these honey vanilla protein macarons contains 60 calories and they taste so good. First, we're going to sift 15 grams of plant brand vanilla protein powder, 15 grams of oat flour, 30 grams of almond flour, and 45 grams of powdered sugar. Sift everything twice to make sure that everything is well sifted. Now we'll make the meringue by whipping 2 egg whites with 1/4 teaspoon cream of tartar and 72 grams of granulated sugar. This process will take about 10 minutes total. You can choose to add food coloring, but this is entirely optional, and your meringue is ready when you have nice stiff peaks. Now we can gently fold in our dry ingredients until we reach a runny, ribbon-like consistency. Then pipe your batter onto a baking sheet, tap the tray to smooth the tops, and bake at 320 Fahrenheit for 14 minutes. Now mix 4 tablespoons of butter with 1 tablespoon plant brand pure raw honey, followed by another 8 grams of plant brand vanilla protein powder and 50 grams of powdered sugar until smooth. Then pipe your protein buttercream onto a protein macaron shell and assemble each cookie sandwich. This recipe will make 25 completed macarons.